Taking a look at this article here from the Motley Fool, here are the top 3 AI stocks that billionaires are loading up on right now. First of all, we have none other than NVIDIA. This is the most obvious AI play as they are the #1 global artificial intelligence chip manufacturer. Simply put, NVIDIA builds the hardware that is required for all of these AI bots and big data analysis. Revenue and earnings for NVIDIA have soared over the last 2 years, and as such, the stock has gone parabolic. Over just the last year, NVIDIA stock is up over 200%. But this meteoric rise is not stopping the big money from continuing to bet on NVIDIA. In the second quarter of 2024, Bridgewater increased their position in the stock by 831%. Meanwhile, Citadel more than doubled their position, and Tudor Investments increased their position by 853%. Now keep in mind that NVIDIA is now trading at a lofty valuation with a price to earnings ratio of about 65. This means that investors are willing to pay $65 today for $1 of annual earnings potential for the stock. Keep in mind that the current PE ratio across the S&P 500 is about 29.5. So investors are currently now paying more than double the market average for NVIDIA relative to their earnings, but this is because they expect the triple-digit earnings growth for NVIDIA to continue.